Introducing Sony's new upcoming smartphone with 18:9 aspect ratio phone, Sony Xperia X Ultra Edge for 2018. Concept design and first look. The upcoming Sony's flagship with new powerful design coming in 2018. So we have an exclusive design from Gadget Arena about the upcoming Sony Xperia X Ultra 2018. New Xperia may have the same look as the older generations with its angular curved square, but this time Sony presenting the first smartphone with 18:9 aspect ratio. There's been few designs for new Sony Xperia concepts over the past week, and here we are with one more. This one is with a curved display and very narrow bezels. The first thing we can notice here was the very large earpiece at the top side. The back cameras stick out a bit, and unfortunately we can see there's no dual back camera. When the phone is shown from the back, you can see the curved screen side lighting up. The camera placement a bit strange with design. Some of the renders make it seem that the Xperia X Ultra has a screen that goes all the way down the edges. The back side reflects the images around, so it's probably covered with glass or some sort of new plastic material. It's interesting that more companies prefer to just make narrow bezel screens, but also not curved edges. Samsung is basically one of companies still curving the sides. Also, the phone's release date will be around in the early of 2018. Anyway guys, we're not responsible or guarantee that the information on this video is 100%